So today's exotic fruit hunt has taken us to the Rastafari Herbal Gardens in the hills of Retrieve, Westmoreland. In today's episode, we feature the Rambutan. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Rambutan. 30 years. Never seen this.
We're the fruit lovers are we? Tasting the treasures from every tree. Pineapple, lychee, guava too. There's a fruit for me, there's a fruit for you. Health and flavor, they're the prize. Let's feel the world with curious eyes. On this fruit escapade, let's dive right in.
What's that? Skill, you know? Good job, Doug. Wow, you are skilled. Look how farmer climb thin.
We're packing our bags, let's hit the road. Chasing the colors where the fruit trees grow. Mangoes in the tropics, dragon fruit at dawn. Every bite's a journey, come and tag along. Taste the rainbow, feel the vibe. From the markets to the countryside. Curious hearts, we're on a spree. Exploring the world, one fruit at a time, you'll see.
You are awesome.
You mean that?
You are awesome.
You're awesome.
You're awesome.
For a 90-year-old man, not bad, eh? Who called me out the other day?
We have pipe. We have pipe. You got your shoe?
Yes.
Wow. That was good stuff.
I got injured.
Oh, that's a fear.
Nothing bad.
Ooh.
So,
They right?
I would say
Well,
this
you
one
know.
is the ripest one.
Well, you know when it right.
I don't. I picked the darkest one because I know the green ones are sure not ripe.
Right.
So
This one look
This
like
one
it's bigger,
alright.
yeah.
this one, yeah.
So we have a rambutan, and trust me,
It wasn't
I
easy.
appreciate. So we have a rambutan for taste. Yo, when you see, you see where the farmer? I forgot you to get this.
Oh,
All
God.
right. Let me taste.
Because you don't have the right equipment. You could have an easy picking stick, you know.
Well,
But
true.
But I told you to carry the picking stick and
yeah.
so we
but-
just burst it, sister, yeah?
Sorry.
yes.
Yeah?
Really cause better than whatever. Quite so sweet.
Sure.
You might have to go climb again, you know. Juicy, sweet, one of my favorites.
This is absolute. And you know why it's even sweeter? Just the dedication of the farmer go through for pick it. We appreciate him.
No man,
Gratitude is a
this is
must.
so sweet.
And just to
but
let
you
you
know how
know,
dancing?
just to let you know, I never eat no fruit from this tree yet, you know.
So,
No, this is the first year there, and this is the first fruits that pick. And look who get it. Raw boss,
christen
that
it.
fruit blossom.
We christen the tree.
I feel
And
blessed.
liquid, it juicy.
The seed.
No man,
The seed I need,
I need more.
absolutely.
Woo! It was good. So good. You need rambutan in your life. Yes?
Yeah. Now listen for the fruit facts on the rambutan. It's nice. It's sweet.
Yeah.
The botanical name for the rambutan is Nephilium lapaceum. They are native to Indonesia and Malaysia and have been growing wild since ancient times. The rambutans are small, oval to round fruits, averaging 3 to 5 centimeters in diameter, and grow in loose, hanging clusters of 10 to 20 fruits. There are many different varieties of rambutan with unique appearances, ranging in color from red, orange, yellow to a blend of these hues. The fruits are enveloped in a semi-thick, firm and leathery rind covered in soft, spine-like protrusions known as spinturns. Underneath the rind, the flesh varies from white, translucent to pale pink and is succulent and slightly chewy, encasing a central oblong light brown seed wrapped in thin papery layers. Rambutans are aromatic and we have a sweet, fruity flavor containing subtle notes of strawberries and grapes. Rambutans are best suited for fresh applications as their sweet flavor is showcased when consumed straight out of hand. The rind can be sliced and opened with a knife or peeled by hand, and the flesh can be consumed raw, discarding the seed. The seed is edible, but it needs to be cooked before eating. The flesh can be sliced and mixed into fruit salads, used as a topping over sorbet and ice cream, or incorporated into curries and soups for added sweetness. The fruits can also be muddled into cocktails, simmered into a simple syrup, or cooked into jellies and jams. In addition to fresh preparations, rambutan can be stewed or canned for extended use. Rambutan pairs well with other fruits such as coconut, pineapple, kiwi, and mango. Whole rambutans will keep for 2 to 3 days when wrapped in a damp paper towel and stored in a ventilated bag in the refrigerator. The fruits are prone to drying out and should be consumed immediately for the best quality and flavor. Rambutans are a good source of copper to help maintain bones and nerves and provide vitamin C, an antioxidant that strengthens the immune system and reduces inflammation. The fruits also contain fiber to regulate the digestive tract. Here are some interesting facts about the rambutan. The tropical fruit is a part of the same family as the lychee. There are over 200 varieties of rambutans with varying colors, flavors, and appearances. The name rambutan is derived from the Malaysian word rambut, translating to mean hair, and is a descriptor given for the fruit's hairy, spine-like appearance. Yo, so we've come to the end of another raw escapade. If you've learned anything from this episode, be sure to leave a comment and let us know. Thanks for watching.